Hi Draw So Cuties! Today we're going to draw Emma from Lego Friends. So let's get started. To draw Emma, we're going to first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and draw basically the bottom of a U. So I'm just going to make it a little bit wider. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. There, so we have a nice wide curve in, and from there we're going to come to the center. So say about right here, I'm going to give myself a point, and so just kind of imagining a round face right here. So about right here will be our point to start the bangs. So this area right here, I'm just going to draw a curve that comes down, and same thing on this side. So then about right there, I'm going to bring it up on both sides. And then in this area right here, I'm just going to draw a curve for a strand of hair. And same thing on this side. Okay, so then now that we have her face framed in, let's come back in here and draw the eyes. So in this area right here towards the side, right under her bangs, I'm going to draw a big circle. And let's do the same thing on this side, so right under the bangs towards the edge. There. So let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles at an angle and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. Thank you for all the love for my Lego Friends character drawings. So please make sure to check out my playlist for them if you love them and want to draw them. And lines at the bottom. Same thing on this side. Okay, so the eyes in, let's come right here and draw two lashes. I'm just going to pop out two curves. Same thing on this side. And then come up here and draw the brow. So it's just going to be a very simple curve. But right here and down. And a little bit too angled. There, I'll fix it. Just make it thicker. And so then same thing on this side, but right here, and just draw a curve, comes down. There, so I have her eyebrows in. Let's come to the center and draw a slight curve and give her a sweet smile and cap it off. Okay, so I have her eyes in. Now let's come back and fix and draw the hair. So I'm just gonna bring this curve all the way back to the center. So same thing on this side. Oops. There. So I have our two bangs in, then from there I'm going to come right here and finish off this strand of hair. Same thing on this side. And I'm just going to finish it off right here, all the way around. And then from there, I'm going to draw her band, her hair band. So it's going to be another layer that comes up. So same, we're going to go up a little bit thicker towards the center and start to come down and taper it in. So have her hair band in. And then from there, let's come up here. And once again, towards the center, say about this much. Draw a slight dip, and I'm going to go up for the rest of her hair. I'm just going to start to bring it down, and towards this area right here where her hairband is, we're going to get close to that. So come close to that, and then you can start to flare it out a little bit to give her some volume. Maybe a little curve right there. And let's see, I can probably draw a little bit more. Okay, so then from there, let's start to draw her body before we finish off her hair. I'm going to come right here in the center and give her a little neck. And then bring it down for her shoulders. And then right here, I'm just going to give her a neckline first. And then imagine her armpits are about right here on both sides. And from there, just draw 2 angle lines down for her body. And let's see here. From there, because she's wearing a tank top, I'm just going to finish off this right here, connect it. And then let's draw her top first. I'm going to bring it down, give it a slight poof at the bottom. Draw a curve to finish it off, a little band at the bottom. Okay, and so the reason I'm leaving this part right here, because there's a little bow that she ties it up right here. So I'm just going to draw a little oval. And then a loop for a little bow, and then the tail. Okay, so then from there we can finish off her skirt. So I'm just going to flare it out. Flare it out right there. And so before we do that, let's come back up to the hands. So I'm going to have this side just very simple, just have it to the side. And it's going to be covered by the bow, so we don't need to draw anything else. Make it nice and easy, right? Okay, so then the other hand is kind of on her hip, so we're going to bend it. So this is where her armpit is. So we're going to draw angle. And then bring it in. Tapering. And so then from there, draw a slight angle, touching her hip. And then right here, angle a little bit, and a curve for her fingers. Okay, so then now we can finish off her skirt. I'm going to come right here and just curve a line over, and then just a little curve right there, so I can tuck in the second layer, come down, and once again just go all the way across. You can draw a little bit details right here if you like. And let's see here, now to draw her legs. So I'm going to have one that's straight and one slightly to the side right here. So about right here towards the center. These are my 2 angles, so I know where I'm going. So I'm going to come down, go all the way down, tapering as I go. And so about right there, we're going to start at her ankle and then flare it out for her feet. And connect it. So this, now we're going to go this way on this one here. The same idea, we're going all the way down, right there, tapering as we go. And so this one's going to come out, but it's still going to end at the same level. And connect. So now for some details, a little curve, and she has this little strap right here on the ankle. And same thing over here. Very pretty shoes. There. Okay, so now we can finish off her gorgeous hair. So we're just going to come about right here and just give it some curves here and there. Make it not, I don't want to make it too complicated, so I'm just going to start to wave it and tuck it back in. There. And maybe some lines right here, some details. Okay, so now we have that, and let's come in here and draw this beautiful flower that she has on her shirt. So each one of these characters has a little symbol. So hers is going to be a flower. So I'm going to come here and draw, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals. So it's just a big flower. 2, 3, 4. Oops. My top got a little bit big. And you know what? I better switch to a thinner Sharpie because I think I'm getting myself in trouble here with a thicker Sharpie. Okay, so I got a thinner Sharpie, and I'm just going to come in here and center and draw 4 circles, and then a little detail right here. Okay, and then let's see, there's a leaf right here. And some of these circles that kind of go in a pattern. So when you're coloring it, you can just color it without doing an outline. Maybe the outline makes it a little too muddy. So play around with it and see how you like it. You don't have to draw with the outline. You can just go ahead and directly color it. Just leave these white circles. And right here, I'm going to add a little sparkle right there. So there, that's pretty much it for my version of Emma from Lego Friends. Hope you guys love how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.